This can of Coke Zero has been dubbed the cigarette of your refrigerator. Now, a Coke Zero contains a sweetener, and that sweetener is aspartame. Now, aspartame breaks down into your body through 3 different compounds. That would be methanol, aspartic acid, and phenylalanine. Can never say that word. These 3 things can cause you to suffer with cancer, experience seizures, or perhaps even get brain damage, which all sound absolutely terrifying. However, everybody fails to mention this important thing. One single tomato has more methanol in it than the entire can of Coke Zero. And one single large egg has about 4.5 times aspartic acid than the Coke Zero. And a single portion of beef has 12 times as much phenylalanine than the Coke Zero. So the next time you go to try and enjoy a Coke Zero and your auntie goes to slap it out your hand and says, "Don't drink that, it causes cancer," just make sure to show them this video.